Good morning, students. Today we are here to read about models. We have already read and started this chapter in the previous video. I told what are models and we have discussed from where these models came from. Means those verbs. That is non means finite verbs, and it came from the finite verbs. Okay. Today we will read about the display means they are the DC, how they are used means how they are used in a sentence. We will get to know all the details where they are used. Just like we are starting with can. Can is what? Can is a word which is used to show ability in general. Means if we say I can lift a car, I can swim. This is what? I am showing my ability. I am showing what? My ability. Just like can shows ability in general. I can swim. I can swim. It is my ability that I can swim. It also shows permission. What it shows? Permission. Permission what? Informal permission. Not just like may. May is used for formal permission. Can is used for informal permission. Informal permissions, just like we take informal permission with our friends, with our parents. These are informal permission, not formal. Okay. But if we take permission from our teachers, from our seniors, then it is formal permission. Future possibilities. Can is also used to show future possibilities. What is future possibility mean? It can rain tomorrow. It can rain tomorrow. What it shows? It shows future possibility. This line is showing that future means tomorrow it can rain. Okay. It is also used to show request. Just like, can you give me your pen? This is what? Request. It is a request. This is a request. Just like, can you give me your pen? Or can you tell me the time? This is request. Now, offer. Offer. How can you offer? With the word can. Just like, Ram can help you. This is an offer. I can help you. This is an offer. You are offering yourself that I can help you. Suggestion. Another word is suggestion. We use can for suggestion also. Just like I can. You can get good marks if you work hard. This is what? Suggestion. You can get good marks, but the condition is you have to work hard. Willingness. Willingness. I can become a Prime Minister. This is willingness. I can become. It's a determination like what? That is, I can become this. I can become that. These are determination. Means willingness. This is willingness. I will. I wish to become this. Okay. Here two examples are also given. Just like you can speak now. What it is? You can speak now. It is ability in general. You can tell me the time. Request. Can you tell me the time? This is a request. Okay. Now we will start could. Could is another model. It is past of can. It is used in indirect speech also. It shows past ability. I could lift 100 kgs. I could lift 100 kgs means it was a past ability. Now I cannot lift 100 kgs. In the past time I could lift 100 kgs. Okay. Condition. It also shows condition. Could you could do well if you leave the friendship of your bad friends. Okay, you could do well if you leave the friendship of your bad friends. This is what? Condition. If you leave, then only you could do well. Okay. Possibility. Another word, conclusion. What is it? Conclusion. Conclusion. Could is also used to show conclusion. Just like we could have a message that it could be all well if ends well. This is what? Conclusion. Okay, this is what? Conclusion. Possibility. Could is also used to show possibility. It could rain tomorrow. It could rain tomorrow. This is possibility, but very weak possibility. Could is also used to show request. Just like Could you give me that pen? This is like a polite request. Very politely we ask, could you leave? More polite than can. Could is more polite than can. Seeking permission. Could I go out? But it is not very very much not used in a very large scale. Seeking permission, we say can or we use may. These are the two things that we use for permission. Another one is offer. What it is? Offer. Offer. For offer we use could. For making suggestion we use could. I could run fast when I was young. What is it? It is past ability. You could have spoken softly. This is what? This is a suggestion. This like making suggestion. You could have spoken softly. Another one is permission. May is used to show permission for formal way. And prayer. May is also used to show prayers, wishes, just like may God bless you. We use may God bless you. This is what? This is your wish. This is a blessing. May I drink water now? This is permission. And may is mostly used in a line to show permission. And it is formal permission. Might. Might is used to show prediction. Prediction. It might rain tomorrow. It might win the game. He might run fast. He might do well in the examination. This is prediction. Past of may, and it is used in reported speech. Weak possibility. Might also represents weak possibility. Just like I say, it might rain tomorrow. There is a very little possibility of rain. Okay, it might rain tomorrow. There is a very little possibility of rain. He might come late. This is a possibility. And she might win the competition. This is what? This is also possibility. Okay. Next one we will move. Must. Must shows compulsion. Must shows compulsion. Strong obligation. Okay. You must be quiet. You must be quiet. This is strong obligation. This is the rule that you must be quiet. Okay. Note. Must not shows prohibition. Means it stops from you to do certain activities. You must not litter in the public space. Means you should keep public space clean. You should not litter on the public space. This is what prohibition means. It is restricted. It is not that you will get punishment if you do this. Have to also used to show compulsion, just like must. All students report in a proper uniform. All students, now what it is, all students should report in a proper uniform. We can write here have to. Okay, should is also good. Should shows advice, but have to is better than that. Have to shows what? Compulsion, means you have to come. You have to come in proper uniform. Now next one is obligation. Need. Need shows obligation. He needs to support the family. This is what? This is the moral duty. Family should be supported. Therefore it shows obligation. Needs means necessity. This means necessity. This is what? Necessity. I need some money. This need word is necessity. It is showing necessity. Now ought to is obligation. Just like I ought to visit my grandmother as she was in. I ought to serve my nation as I am a soldier. These are just ought to. Okay. Now there is bravery. If someone is showing bravery, then there should be dare. Use of dare. Dare I tell the truth. It is an act of bravery. It is an act of bravery. Dare I tell the truth? It is an act of bravery, and to show the act of bravery, we use dare. Next one is, these are some models which is not given in your book, but you should know these are also models. Used to shows past habit, just like I used to live in Patna. Okay, this is showing the past habit. Shall used to show future event with first person. Just I shall go. We shall come to your wedding ceremony. This is future event. This shows future event with first person. If it is used with second and third person, then it will show what? Threat. If shall is used with second and third person, it will show threat. It will show strong determination. These are the things that it will show. Suggestion is also shown. Should. Past of shall is shown. It also shows advice. Assumption. These are the two things that is shown by should. Compulsion is also a part of should. Will. Future event with second and third person in general. Okay. Just like he will go tomorrow. But if it comes with I or we, first person, then what it is? Then it shows threat. Then it shows determination with the first person. Last is past of will. Would. Possibility. Would is used for possibility. Would is used for request. Polite request. Just like, would you lend me your car? Would you lend me your car? This is polite request. This is very polite request. Very, very polite thing. You should say. These are all models. These are the uses of the model. I have taught everything that is given and not given in your book also. You should do the exercises, and then if you find any problem, then you can contact me.